Hello, welcome to the course of MATLAB1.com. In this course, I want to learn you how to use coreNLP in MATLAB. This course is prepared by MATLAB1. The address of our website is matlab1.com. coreNLP is one of the most powerful package for natural language processing, but it doesn't support MATLAB software. It can work with Python, with Java, with .NET and another programming language, but it doesn't support MATLAB software for working with it. I want to show you how to use Stanford NLP in MATLAB software. At the first, we have a short overview on coreNLP. coreNLP is a powerful library for natural language processing in Java. This library is written in Java programming language, and coreNLP has many features. For example, the user can use it to draw a linguistic annotation for text, including token and sentence boundary, or finding the part of a speech, or find the named entity, or numeric and time value, and dependency and constituency parts, conference and sentiment, and go to attribution and relation. If you don't know anything about these features, you can search about natural language processing and read about these features in natural language processing. All of them has some application in different project, different work. coreNLP currently supports 6 languages: Arabic, Chinese, English, French, German, and Spanish. For every language, you must download its library. For example, if you want to work in English, you must download the library that's written for English language. If you want to work in Arabic, you must download the library that's written for Arabic. Every language has a specific library. How to use this library? coreNLP can be used via the command line in Java code or with a call to the server. There are you can use in a different usage. For example, if you want to show you, this is a section of usage in this address of this library. For example, you can use with migration, you can use in the command line, you can use as an API, or you can use simple API. All of them of use is you can find in this address. As you said before, I want to show you how to use coreNLP in MATLAB. As I said before, it supports multiple languages: Arabic, Chinese, English, French, German, and Spanish. For watching the complete video, please visit the matlab1.com. Thank you for your watching.